Today we are gonna solve one of the biggest problem of indie game developers, which is animations on Unreal Engine. So, despite the fact that Unreal Engine offer a lot of features that allow us to create some animations depending on our requirement, but those tools are often hard to use or to learn, and also they don't give the appropriate animations or the appropriate theme that we need. So the solution still proper animation made of a real person doing your movement. Yes, I mean, how could you create this animation with the controller rig or whatever? It's really complex and it's fast, okay? It will take you forever to make this animation. So the solution, of course, it is videos and transforming them to 3D animations. So for this today I will gonna introduce to you deepmotion.com. So this website allow us to create animations, 3D animations, starting from videos. So we are going to make test today. I am here on Pixels and you can see I have a video of karateka doing some fighting or martial art movement, okay? So here you can see that the video is practically 2D videos. It is shadowed and we don't have any reliefs or any repairs for the software, but although it will work. So let's go to Deepmotion. After creating an account, you go to Animate 3D. You forget about say motion. It will be the subject of the next video. So let's click on launch. But before that, I need to show you the different plan. So don't worry about the prices. The free plan will be enough. So here you can see that you will have 16 credits per month. Okay, 20 seconds of a clip per month by single video. So what I mean by that, it's those 16 credits will be enough to make until 20 seconds of video clip. Okay, so the output format is, you can see that there is FBX, which is the format that our engine used, and the interesting feature here is that you can create videos with 2 persons in the video. Okay, this is important if, for example, you plan to create an animation or a scene for your or cinematic for your game with 2 persons interacting between each other. Okay, so instead of having to make the 2 animations match exactly and manually on an engine, here you can just film 2 persons, you and another person, for example, and put the video with the 2 of you on this website, and it will give you the animation for 2 3D character on Unreal Engine. So there is some other features, but we are not gonna talk about that here because they don't interest us. And one last thing is that the resolution is full HD, okay, with 13 FPS, which is the frame rate of the animations on Unreal Engine. So now let's go to Portal. Let's go to Animate 3D. Click on Launch, and here you are on Home. You go to Create. So here you select 3D animation because 3D pose is, you can see here that you can only upload pictures. Okay, this is in order to create a 3D pose. Okay, just like the thumbnail here, but starting from a photo. So this is not what we want. We need to create 3D animation. So you select 3D animation. Here you select if you are 1 or 2. I say 2 because this is what you can do with the free plan on the software. But if you are gonna pay a subscription, so you can select multi-person. So here in my case, this is just 1 character playing some martial art movement. So I will select 1, and here of course I will click on browse file. So here it is uploading my video. Okay, now it is analyzing it in order to create a 3D animation with 3D character. And of course here you can see that it is the Unreal Engine mannequin. Okay, so there is no retargeting to do or anything, playing with bones or going to Blender. You don't need to do anything. you just bring your animation from Deep Motion and put it on Unreal Engine. This website is a pipit. So now it has finished. Here you can add some details about your video. It helped the developer of this website to improve their AI, but you can let it empty. So here you can trim and crop your video, but in my case I will let it as it is. So it is the 50-second video. After that I will, you have some features here, but as I said, they don't interest us for now. So you just click on create animation. Okay, here you can see the remain point or credit you have, and also some details about your video. You click on create animation. Now it is processing. Also, they give you some advice about the video that you need to upload. Some advice about the characteristic of the video. For example, the visibility must be 2 to 6 meters from the camera. The lighting, the clothing, okay? Those are some advice from the developer team in order to have a best result. Now it has finished. Okay, you can see 3D animation recreated successfully. What you can do, you can directly download, but of course we are gonna click on preview. So now it is loading, and you will see the magic. Loading data, give me my data please. Okay, hold down left. Okay, now 3D works, and boom, guys, you have your mannequin, okay, with your martial art made on the mannequin or by the mannequin. So now all you need to do is to click download, select FBX, okay, important for Unreal Engine, click on download. Now your video has been downloaded. You go to your folder, okay, you bring it to Unreal Engine. One important thing, guys, you need to check on the import animation box, okay, and also sometimes you will not see the animation here. This is because some differences between the frame rate of Unreal Engine 5 and Deep Motion. What you need to do is to check on snap to closed frame boundary, okay. So you need to check this option here to on and click on import all, and now you can see that I have my Deep Motion character. You can read here Deep Motion, and I have my animation. So here this is perfect. You can see maybe some imperfection here. For example, the hand may get in the stomach of the character, but don't forget that the video was shadowed black, okay, so it was a poor quality video. In your case, don't forget to have a good video quality video and use it on your process, okay guys. So I think that was pretty much everything for this video. Now you know how to create animation for your game, and don't forget the beautiful thing is that you can create animations for free, of course, up to 2 characters on the same scene. This is really a game changer, and I invite you to use it without moderation, okay. So don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and see you in the next tutorial.